Hey guys, and we're back on the channel, and today it's like late and it's raining, so I decided to make a video. You might be saying like, oh my gosh, I love your dress. Well, I don't think you're saying that, but anyways, I got a little new dress thingy. I'll show you that in a little while, but first, my hair business. Now my hair's like, this is how I like it. See, it's one of those tank tops that move. I do like this on the side and then can move it like that. That's my favorite ones. I like the one that has one, but they both have it, but if it goes down, it goes down. Okay, what do I need? Hairspray. Toothbrush.